Let me tell you about Jane, a vibrant 35-year-old mother of two who always seemed to have endless energy. But last year, everything changed. One morning, Jane woke up feeling unusually exhausted despite a full night's sleep. She brushed it off, thinking it was just one of those days. But the fatigue persisted, creeping into her daily life, making even the simplest tasks feel like climbing a mountain. Jane noticed she was gaining weight despite eating healthily and staying active. Determined to get to the bottom of it, she visited her doctor, expecting a quick fix. What she discovered was shocking. Jane was diagnosed with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition she had never heard of, but was now dramatically altering her life. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions, but often goes unnoticed until it's too late: fatty liver disease. Imagine waking up every day feeling sluggish, battling fatigue, and not knowing why. This was the reality for Jane, a vibrant mother of two, whose life was turned upside down by a diagnosis of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD.
Welcome to Health Explorer. Here, we delve into a wide range of health-related topics, from understanding various diseases to discovering effective natural remedies whenever possible. Our mission is to provide you with reliable, accurate information sourced from reputable websites and the latest scientific research. We explore the effectiveness of modern treatments and discuss their real-world applications and potential complications. By joining us, you'll gain valuable insights into health, wellness, and disease management. Don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's embark on this journey towards better health and knowledge together.
What is fatty liver disease? Fatty liver disease, also known as hepatic steatosis, occurs when too much fat builds up in the liver. While having small amounts of fat in your liver is normal, too much can lead to serious health problems. Your liver, the second largest organ in your body, processes nutrients and filters harmful substances from your blood. Excess fat can cause inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. This was the silent threat lurking within Jane, impacting her energy levels and overall health. Types of fatty liver disease, AFLD, versus NAFLD. Jane discovered there are two main types of fatty liver disease: alcoholic fatty liver disease and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. AFLD results from heavy alcohol consumption, while NAFLD occurs in those who don't drink much alcohol. Up to 25% to 30% of people in the US and Europe suffer from NAFLD, often linked to poor diet, obesity, and lifestyle factors. Jane's diagnosis was NAFLD, meaning her liver was overloaded with fat despite not consuming much alcohol. Understanding the difference between AFLD and NAFLD is crucial for effective treatment and lifestyle changes. Unraveling the causes and risk factors. As Jane delved deeper, she was determined to uncover what had caused this silent invader. Fatty liver disease can develop for various reasons, and identifying these causes and risk factors is key to managing and preventing it. For Jane, it wasn't excessive alcohol consumption, but rather a combination of other risk factors. Her diet, high in refined carbs and sugars, contributed to her liver's fat buildup. Like many of us, Jane enjoyed sweets and convenience foods, not realizing the toll they were taking on her liver. Other risk factors included obesity, type 2 diabetes, and insulin resistance. Jane struggled with maintaining a healthy weight and had a family history of diabetes, increasing her risk. Her sedentary lifestyle and metabolic syndrome, which includes high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high blood sugar, also played a role. Jane's wake-up call: recognizing symptoms. Jane's journey to her diagnosis was full of subtle clues she initially overlooked. Persistent fatigue, a dull ache or pressure in her upper right abdomen, and unexplained weight gain were early warning signs of fatty liver disease. Fatty liver can progress from simple fatty liver, which is mostly harmless, to steatohepatitis inflammation, fibrosis scarring, and eventually cirrhosis severe scarring impairing liver function. Jane's wake-up call came when these seemingly disconnected symptoms were pieced together by her doctor. Early detection can prevent the condition from worsening, highlighting the importance of listening to our bodies and taking action when something feels off. The ultimate diet plan. Determined to take control of her health, Jane knew that changing her diet was crucial. With guidance from her doctor and nutritionist, she discovered a diet plan tailored to combat fatty liver disease, focusing on nutrient-dense foods that support liver health and reduce fat buildup. Foods to eat. Jane's new diet included: Number 1. Coffee, linked to a lower risk of developing NAFLD and reducing liver inflammation. Number 2. Leafy greens, spinach and kale, rich in nutrients and compounds that help prevent fat buildup. Number 3. Beans and soy, high in fiber and protein, improving gut health and lowering triglycerides. Number 4. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, and tuna, providing omega-3 fatty acids to reduce liver fat and inflammation. Number 5. Whole grains, foods like oatmeal and whole wheat bread, high in fiber. Number 6. Nuts, particularly walnuts, reducing inflammation and improving liver function. Number 7. Turmeric, providing curcumin, which helps reduce liver damage markers. Number 8. Sunflower seeds, high in vitamin E, supporting liver health. Number 9. Unsaturated fats, avocados, olive oil, and nut butter. Number 10. Garlic, helping reduce body weight and liver fat. By focusing on these foods, Jane felt more energetic and noticed significant improvements in her liver health. Foods to avoid. Equally important were the foods Jane avoided. Number 1. Alcohol, limited to protect liver health. Number 2. Sugary beverages, replaced with water and herbal teas to avoid increasing liver fat. Number 3. Refined carbs, swapped for whole grains to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Number 4. Fried foods, high in unhealthy fats and calories, replaced with baked or grilled options. Number 5. Added salt, reduced to manage blood pressure and overall liver health. Number 6. Red meat, cut down, focusing on lean proteins and plant-based options. Lifestyle changes, exercise and stress management. Jane's journey to better health didn't stop at diet changes. She realized that lifestyle changes were crucial in her battle against fatty liver disease. Jane committed to losing weight through sustainable changes, reducing calorie intake, and eating a nutrient-rich diet low in excess calories, saturated fats, and trans fats. Exercise became a non-negotiable part of her routine, aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Simple activities like brisk walking, jogging, and strength training helped her lose weight and improve overall energy levels and mood. Stress management was another critical aspect. Chronic stress can negatively impact liver health, so Jane incorporated mindfulness practices such as yoga and meditation into her daily routine. These practices helped her manage stress better and fostered a positive outlook on life. Jane also learned about the potential benefits of vitamin E supplements, which might help improve liver function in people with NAFLD. However, she consulted her doctor before starting any new supplement to ensure it was safe for her condition. Jane's transformation, a healthier future. Jane's transformation was inspiring. By embracing lifestyle changes, she took charge of her health and witnessed remarkable improvements. Her balanced diet, rich in fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, became second nature. Limiting sodium, refined carbs, saturated fats, and trans fats was challenging at first, but Jane found delicious alternatives and new recipes. Regular exercise became a source of joy and empowerment. Whether it was a morning jog, a dance class, or yoga, Jane discovered activities she loved and stuck with them. Exercise helped her maintain a healthy weight, reduce liver fat, and boost her overall mood. Managing her stress through mindfulness practices improved her sleep and energy levels, becoming a cornerstone of her daily routine. Jane's journey was a testament to the power of lifestyle changes in managing and reversing fatty liver disease. Her story serves as an inspiration for anyone facing a similar diagnosis, showing that with dedication and the right approach, a healthier future is within reach. Conclusion. Jane's journey with fatty liver disease highlights the power of proactive lifestyle changes. From modifying her diet and incorporating regular exercise to managing stress and avoiding harmful substances, Jane took the steps needed to improve her liver health and overall well-being. While there are currently no medications specifically approved for treating fatty liver disease, the right lifestyle changes can make a significant difference. Remember, if you suspect you might have fatty liver disease or are experiencing symptoms, consult with your healthcare provider for a proper diagnosis and personalized treatment plan. Taking charge of your health today can lead to a healthier and brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Together, we can promote better health and well-being for everyone.